Hello. If you own a one-person company, OPC, and are considering closing it down, understanding the winding up process is crucial. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from voluntary closure to legal compliance, and how Filings Corner can make the entire process hassle-free. What is winding up of an OPC? Winding up is the legal process of closing down a one-person company, OPC. This involves liquidating its assets, settling any debts, and officially dissolving the company with the Registrar of Companies, ROC. Once the winding up process is completed, the OPC ceases to exist as a legal entity. When can an OPC be wound up? An OPC can be wound up in two ways: voluntary winding up, compulsory winding up, impact of winding up on stakeholders. So what does winding up mean for your stakeholders? Sole member. Any remaining assets after debts are settled will be transferred to you. Creditors. Creditors must be paid first before distributing assets. Employees. Employees are entitled to their salaries and benefits as per employment laws. Government. The government ensures all statutory dues and taxes are cleared. Legal requirements for winding up. Here are the legal requirements for winding up your OPC. Filing a statement of affairs. Notice to ROC or NCLT. Appointing a liquidator. Final filings and clearance. Methods for winding up an OPC. There are two methods to wind up your OPC. Voluntary winding up. If the OPC is solvent, the sole member can choose to close the business voluntarily. Compulsory winding up. If the NCLT orders the closure due to insolvency, fraud, or other violations of the law. How to file for winding up? Here's how you can go about filing for the winding up of your OPC. 1. Prepare a statement of affairs. 2. Pass a special resolution. 3. File a petition with NCLT. 4. Appoint a liquidator. 5. Notify creditors and government authorities. 6. Clear all liabilities. 7. Submit final reports and apply for closure with ROC. How long does it take? Voluntary winding up. This process usually takes 6 months to 1 year. Compulsory winding up. This can take 1 to 2 years due to legal proceedings. Cost of winding up an OPC. The cost of winding up an OPC will depend on government filing fees, legal and professional fees, liquidator charges, debt settlement, and asset transfer costs. How Filings Corner can help? At Filings Corner, we make the entire OPC winding up process seamless and legally compliant. Expert consultation, hassle-free documentation, filing with ROC and NCLT, complete winding up assistance. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.